The Kidzomania!
Meet the African lion. The African lion is called the king of the jungle.
Meet the African elephant. It is the largest land animal on Earth.
Meet the brown bear. It is very strong and loves fish. Meet the hippopotamus. It loves staying in water. Meet the cheetah. It is the fastest land animal. Meet the gray wolf. It lives and hunts in packs.
Meet the giraffe. It is the tallest animal in the world.
Meet the zebra. Each zebra has unique stripes. Meet the Bengal tiger. It is strong and has beautiful stripes. Meet the leopard. It is fast and climbs trees easily. Meet the red fox. It is clever and quick. Meet the gorilla. It is strong but gentle. Meet the horse. It runs very fast.
Meet the penguin. It cannot fly but swims very well.
Meet the chimpanzee. It is very intelligent. Meet the moose. It is one of the largest deer. Meet the rhinoceros. It has very thick skin. Meet the camel. It lives in the desert. Meet the hyena. It is smart and strong. Meet the kangaroo. It moves by hopping. Meet the yak. It lives in cold mountains. Meet the deer. It is gentle and very fast. Meet the orangutan. It loves living in trees. Meet the polar bear. It lives in very cold places. Meet the bison. It is powerful and lives in herds. Meet the giant panda. It loves eating bamboo. Meet the buffalo. It is very strong. Meet the koala. It sleeps most of the day.
Please like and subscribe the channel.